Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the brand new Oraimo POWERBOX 600, and this guy comes with some fantastic features that makes it different and better than some of the competitors out there. So it comes with charge 60% in 30 minutes, up to 12 phone charges, lead digital display, 5 outputs, 3 wax handheld touch with SOS light alarm, and it also comes with 22.5 wax with PD and QC 3.0 in and out. It also has this free charger and adapter with it. That is an adapter and a cable with it. So you have free 18-watt super fast charging and 3 ampere type C charging cable. So you don't have to buy adapter and cable when you are getting this guy. That is the recommended charger for it. So let's talk about the price. The price of this Oraimo POWERBOX 600 goes for 38,000 naira. That is the price I bought my unit here, but right on GG you are going to see it for 45,000 naira or get it for 43,500 naira. You can also find it on Jumia. That is even way more expensive. What I would suggest you do is to have patience, and Oraimo will release this Oraimo POWERBOX 600 in the coming weeks, and if you can't have patience, you can go and get it on GG or Jumia. And also you can use the discount code shown right on your screen, and this is going to give you 5% discount off from the price of this Oraimo POWERBOX 600 once it is out. You can also use the discount code to get any product from Oraimo, and this is going to give you 5% discount. And without wasting much of your time, let's continue with the rest of the video. So at the top here you can see the 60,000 mAh super huge capacity power bank and one charge for 2 weeks, and that is all you are going to find at the top. And by the side here you are going to see the QR code for the Oraimo social media platform, so in case you want to follow up. And at the right hand side you are going to see Oraimo OB P600Q plus and the rest in black. And here at the back you are going to see the Oraimo authentication center to scratch it and verify if you've got the original or fake, and also the specification of the Oraimo POWERBOX 600. All of this I'm going to test out in my review video, so subscribe if you have not subscribed, and let's unbox this guy. So I like the packaging. This is really nice. So the first thing we are getting here is the manual, so you can go through the manual in case you want to go through that. It's not that lengthy. You can just go through that and get yourself familiar with the Oraimo POWERBOX 600. And I like the packaging. So the second thing you are going to see in the box is the charger, I guess. Okay, you are getting an adapter. This is an adapter from Oraimo, specifically made for this power bank. As you can see, it comes with some specification on it: 9 volt 2.0 ampere. This is a good one. And also by the side of it you are going to see the charger, that is USB-A. The USB-A to type C charger. Okay, you don't have your own, you can still use another charger from Oraimo. You can use the Anifast one. So the next thing you are going to find here is the power box himself, and this is the main stuff here. So let's keep this. It comes sealed up in this big bag. So guys, this is how it looks like. Wow, nice. So this is it. This is the Oraimo POWERBOX 6000 mAh power bank. At the top you are going to find the handle, and this handle is a silicone one, not a leather. I think this is a silicone, not leather. It's very thick and it's just good for gripping it. And as you can see on it, it has keep exploring. Okay, so this place is a little bit dent, and you have the touch control here, which shows the light. Okay, the SOS and off. Very nice positioned. And at the front here you can see the power bank itself. This is how the front looks like. So this is the LED. It comes with 1 2 3 4 5 6 ports. Okay, in and out, in and out, into, and the first ports, that is out 1, out 2, out 3, out 4, these are the normal ports, and here you can see the power of the power bank. It comes in at 77%. Okay, so by the side you see Oraimo. I like the way it is being patterned. The texture is looking nice here, and this is the LED, and this is the 60,000 mAh, and underneath it you are going to see more of the specifications. Okay, the power box, and you have this stand there. So all these are there just to make it convenient for you to use. It's a little bit heavy, if I must say. So after you have unboxed your Oraimo POWERBOX 600, the next thing is to charge it up. Please don't forget, you have to charge up this guy to 100% before you start using it. Use the charger that comes along with it. So you are going to see the in and out port. That is where you are going to plug your new cable and charger to, and as you can see, choose 100. Okay, it is now showing 77 with the fast word here and the percentage there. So I'm going to check this guy. I'm going to see how long it's going to take to charge up, and I'll tell you a lot more about it in the full review video. And I still have my 50 milliampere power bank here from Oraimo. So you can see, guys, in terms of the height, if you have the 50,000, you will know this is just a little inches tall. So a quick one here. Right now, the only thing that I wish this Oraimo POWERBOX 600 comes with is a power output of higher watts instead of these regular 22.5 watts. We all know that the Oraimo POWERBOX 500 comes with the 22.5 watts, so we need something of higher watts. I was expecting Oraimo to produce something of higher power delivery of 30 watts, 45 watts, 60 watts, or even 65 watts. Yes, and that would be a better power bank to charge our devices. We all need something that can charge our devices faster with an higher watt. So with that being said, I also understand that an higher watt power bank comes with a cost. We all know that. Nevertheless, Oraimo should step up their games and give us something of higher watts, and I know people are ready to pay for this power bank. If you want to buy this Oraimo POWERBOX 600, you can check Oraimo website if it is out and use the discount code showing right on your screen. You can also use the discount code to get other products from Oraimo. It is not going to expire. The coupon code will work any day, anytime. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video to this very end, and if you have any question about it or during my testing, drop it down there in the comment section, and I will see you in the full review. Subscribe for more. Bye for now. Peace.